Hi, this video is about the prediction of activity 6 of FM falling objects. Initial ideas. If you were to drop a bowling ball and a soccer ball from the same height at the same time, which one do you think would reach the floor first? Explain your reasoning. I think the bowling ball because the force of the air is resistance is on the bowling ball because of the high mass that has is greater than the soccer ball and reach the floor first. For the second, to help illustrate your thinking about the forces acting on each ball, sketch a force diagram for both balls at the same moment in time as they are falling. Be sure to include arrows representing the gravitational force acting on each ball, as well as any speed arrows you think appreciated, paying attention to the relative lengths of both. I draw this that air resistance for both of the ball is the same when they are falling, but the gravitational force on the bowling ball is greater than the soccer ball that reach the floor first. For the other questions, do you think that the strength of the gravitational force acting on each ball would remain constant as it falls, or do you think this force strength would change as the balls get near to the ground? Explain why. I think the gravitational force on the both of the ball when they get near the ground is strength, and because of that the bowling ball has a high mass, and the gravitational force on it is greater than the soccer ball and reach the floor first. For the other questions of page 58, now imagine you were to hold two spheres of a smaller similar size but different masses at the same height above the ground and releases them at the same time. Which sphere do you think would hit the ground first? Explain your thinking in terms of the strength of the gravitational force acting on each of the two spheres. I think the sphere with high mass reaches the floor first because of the gravitational force that on it is greater than the other sphere with low mass.